Today I will show you how to change the resolution for a clip on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up your project that you want to change the resolution for. Now, as you can see, I have one project and I have multiple clips in my project. And if I choose the clip that I want to change the resolution for, instead of choosing the project and seeing the modify here, I'm going to choose the clip and I'm going to press Command and J. Now, once I press Command and J, it's going to show me this aspect ratio dialog box here. And once I click on it, I press Command J, it's going to show me the aspect ratio dialog box here, and I can click on this, and from here I can change the aspect ratio to whatever I prefer it or I want it to be. I can even custom it and make it whatever aspect ratio that I want it to be. And once I click on OK, it's going to change the aspect ratio for the clip. And as you can see, the aspect ratio changes for the clip as it moves through it. Now that's how to change resolution on Final Cut Pro for a clip. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.